Hi, I'm Justin.
And I'm Allie.
For the past 5 months, we've been living full-time out of our self-converted Sprinter van while traveling across the U.S.
After uprooting our lives to hit the road, it took us a while to get back into some routines, but we're finally getting there.
Hit subscribe and come along to see our nighttime routine while living in the van.
So, as you can see, it is not the morning, which is not normal for us, but we thought it'd be fun to take you guys along our nighttime routine while living in the van. So, what's first?
Starting off at Publix to get dinner for the evening.
Yep.
I don't know if we've mentioned it or not, but we caved not having a fridge, so we bought a little cooler to keep in the van so we can have cold stuff again. So we just have to get ice on a regular basis and we can have cold creamer again.
Now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and find our camping spot. We normally have to go to the grocery store before we can find our camping spot just to replenish our ice stock and buy dinner, because while we do have a cooler, it doesn't really hold that much. It's just nice having a creamer in the morning for your coffee. So Justin just got in, so give him his snack.
Thank goodness.
Let's hit the road. We made it to the rest stop. I changed because there was an ant on me and I got scared. It is what it is. I don't want to be bitten. Speaking of bite.
Would you just cook dinner?
Fine. For dinner, we are currently very into these Taylor Farms salads. The best one is the salsa one, but Southwest is a close second. The reason we're obsessed with it is because we're doing shipped all day. So we're usually not even eating till late at night. I think it's like 11 o'clock right now. So, along with the salad, we get some chicken that's pre-cooked, and it's just super easy. So, I'm gonna get going on that.
While Allie's on dinner duty, I'm on clean up and set the table duty. So I gotta clear a space to get this down. If you've seen our van life regrets video, you know this thing is stupid.
Serve.
Allie does the cooking, so I've got to do the cleaning. Let's do it. That was easy. So, something we just recently have started doing is trying to improve our gut health because, I don't know, it's important and stuff. So, one of our new intros to our nighttime routine while living in the van is we drink a tablespoon of this apple cider vinegar every night. It's supposed to have like a bunch of probiotics. Right, probiotics?
Yep. Well, no, I think it just has a lot of good bacteria.
Has a lot of good bacteria for your gut.
Bad bacteria.
It kills the bad bacteria essentially. So yeah, we drink like a tablespoon of this stuff mixed with diluted down in a whole glass of water, and it's, I don't know, it's not very good. It kind of tastes like a really gross kombucha.
I feel like it's an acquired taste. Like, I think I'm starting to like it.
It's pretty gross. And that's all there is to it. One last drink we like to have before bed is peppermint tea. So while Allie's over there editing some pictures, I'm gonna get the water boiling. And whenever we boil water for the tea, we'll always boil a full pot, even though we only drink 2 cups out of it, because then we can use the extra water to wash our faces before bed. Did you notice? Stainless steel latches, baby. Thank you, Mom Watkins.
Well, guys, it's 1:47 in the morning, so I think it's time we switch from couch mode to bed mode. Now I know I just said that it's like 1:40 something in the morning, but I always have to have dessert. I don't know if we've ever shown you, but we do have a secret mirror hiding somewhere. Just right behind the driver's seat. Tucked away in here. Sorry, there's no nice way to do this. Voila, a mirror. Anyways, it just feels good to be getting into routines again. It's kind of taken us a while to find a routine when living in a van, just because especially when you're freelancing mostly, which I would say shipped kind of is like freelancing, you make your own schedule. It just makes it very difficult. This is what we've been doing pretty much the last month, I'd say, but who knows if it'll change, honestly. But the last part of our nighttime routine is brushing our teeth. I think it's 3 o'clock in the morning, is it?
You're not supposed to tell him that. You're ratting us out here. It's only 9:30, Mom.
Yeah, it's only 9:30
a.m. Well, that is essentially our daily nighttime routine.
It's about 3:15, which is when we normally go to bed. Kind of ashamed of that.
Yeah, we're working on that. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you liked it, give it a giant thumbs up.
Smash that subscribe button because we upload new videos every Sunday.
That's right. We'll see you next week.
Peace.